how to use Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Telegram account without phone number. Well, first thing first, can you use a Telegram account without phone number? If you simply open up Telegram and head over to the login page, it'll give you the option to start messaging. Simply tap on start messaging and it'll give you the option to enter in your country or country code and then your phone number. You can see that there is no any other option. Well, unfortunately, you can't log in or register to Telegram without a phone number. In case you don't want to use your number or you don't have a number, what you can do is you can use a virtual phone number. In order to do so, you can head over to your browser on your Chrome or any other browser and searching for free number for OTP. Once you do so, you'll get the multiple links where you'll be able to get phone numbers for free, through which you'll be able to get the OTP code in order to log in and register yourself. So this is how you can use Telegram without owning a phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.